Hello there, I just wanted to show you what's inside the Canon printheads that are used in the Magenta printers. People are currently using these for edible printers, so they're buying the printers from the shops, they're putting in the printheads and filling the tanks with edible ink. I just wanted to give you food for thought because they're assuming that these things are empty and clean, and quite simply they're not. So I'm not going to waffle on, I'm just going to show you. So let's just take a brand new head. This is a colour head. If we just remove the sticker, we'll pop in on the side out of the way. There we go. Right, these ports engage with the printers and the printer tubes, so I'm just going to pop, and I know this is magenta. If I pop that one on the magenta, before I do that, if I pull the syringe up, pop that on the magenta, like so, let's see what happens. Well, I suppose I ought to really take the protective film off. So here we go, on the magenta. And as you can see, that's full of magenta ink. So the cartridges are actually supplied full of ink. Now inside this cartridge you've got a sponge and you've got desktop ink, as you can see. Now it's coming through the sponge. Just going to pull that back and pull up our syringe a bit. This is a bit messy and it's a little bit tricky, so just bear with me. Wow. Okay, let's have a look at another colour. And let's do the same thing. And you will have yellow and cyan in here. And I'm sorry, it's not a very exciting video. It's more informative to show you. There we go. We've got yellow ink coming out now. And just to show you that you've also got it on the cyan. There we go. Run it to the side and you can see the different colours. So desktop inks are non-toxic. And whilst it won't kill anybody, it could make somebody very poorly. And if you're producing printed cake toppers for people, the last thing you want to do is send out a kiddie's topper that you've printed and have all the children poorly at the party. So really, this is just about awareness. And I'm going to stop that right there. And we're just going to take a look at the black one. I know it's the same, but I'd just like to show you. Let's pull that back, pull that off, and we'll just lose that on there. So, let's open up a black cartridge, or printhead as it is. Again, exactly the same. Take off the top. top cover. And just lose it. Take off the protective film and try and get it off your fingers. And let's just pop that on the black there and see what we've got. Firstly, we'll pull the syringe back. There we go. And as you can see, now you've got the black ink coming out. So when you buy a new Canon Megatank printer, the print heads are already full of ink. They have sponging and they have the appropriate colour ink. The black cartridge has black ink, desktop ink, and the colour cartridge has cyan, magenta and yellow ink. Now, in an ideal world you wouldn't be printing edible icing sheets with that for people to consume. I really just wanted to make you aware of it. So I'm going to lose this and I'm going to come and turn the camera off and we'll take it from there. Thank you.